To create Douyin account outside China 2025, first go to any searching options that you have and search for Douyin, and then afterwards click on the Douyin website that you will see when you search Douyin. After clicking on the website, you will be redirected to its dashboard. Once you're already on the dashboard, click on the login options that you can see at the upper right. Afterwards, click on login, and then you can go ahead and click on the country code or select the country code that you want to use or log in with your Douyin account. Once you have already selected the country code that you have successfully created a Douyin account outside China and choosing the number of the country code that you have. That is fast, easy, and smart if you want a Douyin account.